Today we're here at the Youth Energy Summit. We're hosting about 70 students from the communities we serve, including Maryland, New York, Pennsylvania, Illinois, and Texas. We've got a whole week of STEM programming planned for them and includes both educational hands-on exercises as well as visits to some of our facilities, including Conowingo Dam and the Calvert Cliffs Clean Energy Center.
It's a priority for Constellation to invest in students that participate in a program like Y.E.S because these are the people that we need to come take jobs at a company like Constellation so we are able to continue operating as an excellent company into the future. These students are the future.
I'm glad that Constellation is investing in us, giving us the proper materials and also the knowledge to enter the industry, and also connecting us with the industry so we can meet people and understand where our interests may lie.
LEAD Project works with students and teachers around the country to bring STEM education to the masses. What's excited me the most about working with students at Y.E.S is just the sheer creativity. Our goal this whole week is to give them breadcrumbs and have them make a meal out of it. We let them find information from Constellation employees, from research methods they were employing, from all the field trips. To take basic information and create something huge, it is inspirational to see these kids do what they do.
Learning about STEM helped me realize that it impacts not only me, but everything around me as well. Even like the tiny little parts of life are impacted by STEM, and it's helped me come to realize what I can do to help those small parts of the world.
Y.E.S is truly shaping the next generation of future energy leaders. In fact, I am sure that among the students that are here today, some of them will be leading Constellation in the future.